Surely, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is expected to have a design similar to the Galaxy S24, and according to leaker at OriXda on Twitter, the phone is likely to feature a 6.1-inch display, although the source of the leak suggests that they are not sure about the screen size, but based on the previous two FE smartphones, I would say that it'll be either 6.4-inch or 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. It is expected that the phone will be powered by either Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with a possible split between regions where Exynos might be globally, while select markets would get the Snapdragon version. Samsung launched the S23 FE in India in October, so it's possible that we see the release of its successor around the same time this year. And if you want to see what the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will look like, I made a video with the first images. You can watch it afterwards. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.